Hello ladies and gentlemen, happy new year and welcome to my channel. My name is Don Franco and today I want to present to you opportunities that have been offered in Greece. Greece is a country in Europe and it's in the Schengen space, and if you have been searching recently for opportunities to work abroad in the following fields like cooks, like restaurant attendant, waiters, factory workers and more, then this video is for you. It's been a while that I didn't post on this channel. This is because I was so preoccupied with other trainings just to better do my job and serve you very well. For those of you who are just coming in, please buckle up, sit down, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and please also share the video for other people to watch. Thank you for those of you who didn't go. Today I'm going to present to you about 4 different types of job, and they are actually recruiting now. I received this email just a few days ago and I've already concretized the contract with the recruiters, and they are actively recruiting now. Wherever you are from the world, Nigeria, Philippines, wherever you are welcome. They don't need so much requirements and the salaries are encouraging. So sit down, let me dish out this opportunity to you. Okay, I'm going to read the background of this job. Okay, just hold on. We have 1 cooks, waiters and waitresses, factory workers and welders are all needed in Greece, and they are needed in different locations. So don't worry, I'm not going to so much specify the locations, but be rest assured that they are needed in different locations in Greece. Okay, Greece offers a unique opportunity for international workers to build their careers while enjoying one of the world's most stunning destinations. Known for its vibrant culture, delicious cuisines, warm hospitality, and historical heritage, Greece provides a high-quality work environment, especially in sectors like hospitality, manufacturing, and foreign workers actually benefit a lot from these different sectors. Okay. For you who want to know about cultural diversity, scenic locations, career growth opportunities is what you should be looking further and more, and this video is going to provide that to you. And please do stay, because I have so many opportunities I'm going to announce at the end of this video for you. So just hold on, you are not going to be left out. No, don't worry, because I just announced 4, right? Okay, so we have career growth opportunities. The cost of living is relatively average for anybody who is moving into Greece, because after all, as far as these jobs are concerned, they're going to actually help you. Okay, they will assist you in some of the expenses like accommodations and more, right? Now let's start with cooks. Cooks are the top of our priority. Okay, so if you have experience in cooking, as from 3 years of experience, right, then you are welcome. Wherever you are, whether you're female or male, you are welcome. Please stay and don't forget to prepare the documents. The first one is prepare and cook meals as per the menu, including Greek and international cuisines. Maintain a clean, organized, and efficient kitchen. Adhere to health and safety standards. Collaborate with kitchen staff to ensure a smooth operations during peak times. It's very simple. Your responsibilities as a cook are not that much, and the salaries ask from 1,400 euros. I'm going to read the requirements later. So for all these jobs, the requirements are almost the same, so do stay around. Okay, now for the second opportunity is we want waiters and waitresses. Welcome and serve guests in polite and professional manner. Take and relay orders accurate to the kitchen or bar. Ensure customer satisfaction by addressing inquiries and providing exceptional services. Maintain cleanliness and hygiene in the service area. Let's go directly to the third opportunity. Operate machinery or manual tools in manufacturing or packaging processing. Monitor production quality and meet output targets. And maintain workplace safety and adhere to operational procedures. Assist in loading and unloading goods and materials if required. For a quick discount, if you are watching, can you tell me 5 responsibilities of a welder? I'm going to give you a discount of 20% if you just write down on the comment section of this video. Let's see who is going to be smart. You got to do some research by yourself. Okay, now the background of this job is very simple. The Greece government needs 100,000 foreign workers as of this moment that we're speaking. It's not only Greece. We have Bulgaria, we have Latvia, we have Portugal, we have this other country, Netherlands. But I'm not going to talk about these countries because the requirements are a little bit tough, and I want things that are much faster, because with things like Bulgaria, you need to go get the police clearance, go attestation of that police clearance in the Bulgarian embassy in your country, and many other requirements. It can take more than 2 months. But for this job, the limited time, the time is limited, and I want jobs that are faster so that it could process as fast as we can. General requirements: a minimum of 1 or 2 years of experience in the role preferred, but not mandatory for some entry-level roles like factory work, because everybody can be a factory worker. You don't have to be worried. But the most important thing is try as much as possible to have grade 12 plus at least 2 years of training after your grade 12. Then you're good to go. Another one is high school diploma or the equivalent for a factory worker, right? Formal training or certification in culinary arts for cooks. You are going to be trained. In essence, for those of you who are going to go in as factory workers, you're going to be given some basic training. And skills and qualification: strong communication and team skills, customer service orientation for hospitality roles, physical fitness for long working hours, especially for factory work, adaptability to dynamic and multicultural work environments, language requirements: English basic at least is an essential part of it, because you need to actually speak English, right? Greek is an advantage, but which is not actually something that you must look in for. Now, before we go into the visa requirements and documentation for this job in Greece, all the jobs, you're going to have an online interview with the recruiter. You're going to present a video of yourself actually proving what you want to apply for. If you say you are a cook, we want to see at least 3 videos of you cooking in a kitchen. And the first one is going to be a self-introductory video about yourself and your role that you want to go in for, and your certification, and why you want to work in Greece. And the second one is going to be a video of you in your environment, professional environment. So you're going to make 3 videos for that purpose, right? The same thing with factory workers. If you want to go in for a factory worker, you need to go to a factory and make a video to show that you are fit physically, right? You don't need to be so intelligent in that essence, because factory workers are going to be trained actually. And then that's it basically. And I'm going to go in now for the visa and documentation process for foreign workers in Greece. Okay, so let's talk about eligibility. The first one is a valid job offer from a Greek employer. That is why we are here. The contracts are already secured, and then the process is a 2-way process. Non-EU applications need work permit and a residence visa. Yes. So the first part of the job is you're going to send in your documentation. They will program you for an interview. If you pass the interview, they will send you the label, the work contract, and other documents that you're going to take to apply for your work permit. When your work permit is out, then you go in to apply for your visa. They're going to give you a 40 days visa to enter Greece with it. When you enter Greece, they're going to give you the temporary work permit card in Greece, and that is how you're going to roll and enjoy your job. Application steps: submission of required document, passport valid for at least 6 months, employment contract signed by the employer, proof of qualification and work experience, medical clearance and health insurance, proof of accommodation provided by the employer or independently arranged. So the employer is going to give you a proof of accommodation as part of the requirement before you actually go into apply for your visa, right? And then the processing time is going to be between 4 to 8 weeks. So when you are starting, that is your expectation that you need to have as far as this opportunity is concerned. Employment assistance: we are going to be there for you to help you to go to Greece. Okay, I said that I was going to give you a bonus for those of you who stayed. Remember, you already have a discount of 20% for giving me the requirements of welders, on the comment section, whether you're watching from TikTok or from Facebook. And please don't forget to share my videos, because I'm coming back now for real, and as I'm going to post this video every Sunday, we're going to be posting. I was looking forward to be doing live videos as much as we can on daily basis for you to gain relevant content with us in this channel. Okay, so I want to look at some more opportunities. Just now, just hold on, let me get some more opportunities for you, and you can understand that we are here for business, right? All right, meanwhile, those of you who are planning to study abroad in different countries, you are welcome. We have over 10,000 study programs in our database for US, Australia, Ireland, UK, and the United States of America waiting for you. If you are in the Philippines, this is the time for you to shine. We have a lot of these opportunities that we cannot explain on this video because that's not the purpose. And if you want to study abroad and you need guidance, please put a message in the comment section and let us take it from there. Yeah, so those of you who are believing in us, we are going fast, and we are going fast. And those of these candidates who are already having success stories, they are coming back each time to say thank you. So if you want to join the community to see the proofs of what is going on, just put the comment section that I want to join the community, and then let's tell you what is going on. Okay, now I just zoomed out, just give me a second. Now the different jobs that I want to read, the other vacancies, I want to call them other vacancies. They are for Latvia. They want work on production line in a store factory. Latvia Tokums, that's how they call it for those of you in Latvia. Latvia Riga chicken factory. Latvia Riga welders MIJ/MAJ. Latvia Dobel, a polystyrene foam manufacturing company. Latvia Riga and Jumala work on solar panels. Latvia, Lithuania, and Estonia for truck drivers. For those of you who are truck drivers, you have this opportunity to go as interns on internship, because they're going to take you to this triangle road to learn how to drive, to know the code, to know the different procedures. And the internship period is going to be for over 6 months, where you'll be paid around €900. After you sign a contract, you'll be paid almost €1,800. We have Latvia Lipeja Intercars warehouse. Those of you who are driving those small vehicles inside the warehouse to transport goods and services, they need you guys. Latvia Vent Spills, they need factory workers. Latvia Riga Kuldiga, they need people to work as couriers with category B driver's license. Fish canning goods factory also needed in Latvia. Bulgaria, the one waitress in Bulgaria. The salary of this one is just €550 for those of you who want to be waitress in Bulgaria, but you have tips, okay? And they're going to provide you accommodation, by the way. The other one is in Athens, Greece as well. Housekeepers. Oh, I already talked about that one already. And then dishwashers. Ladies and gentlemen, after watching this video, are you going to say that this year is not your year? Remember, you have to start from somewhere, no matter how small. Look at the bigger picture. If you, through this opportunity, can arrive in a Schengen country and you work, because the contracts are just first 1 year contract, right? So you don't have to be worried that they're going to give you like 3 or 4 or 5 years contract that's going to hook you up. No, they're giving you just 1 year contract, and then you're going to renew it at will. If you don't want, you can now live there, go to your dream country in Schengen, and then nobody is going to have any trouble with you. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Don Franco, and I'm going to put a link to every part of this video that is very important concerning even our activities on our channel, so that you can just click and then dive into our channel and then apply. Do stay around, and my name is Don Franco once more. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Maybe you need this.